Hi, I'm Rachel. This is Camping Cuisine on Leisure Bit, and today we're going to be making chicken fajitas in the Ridgemonkey. Okay, so the ingredients for the chicken fajitas, we have some fajitas, a couple of chicken breasts, some cheese, a little bit of oil, some spices. Today I've cheated and got fajita spice kit, a couple of peppers, an onion, some mushrooms and some salsa, and of course the all-important Ridgemonkey. So let's begin. So in preparation, I've chopped my yellow and my red pepper, also my onions and mushrooms, and sliced my chicken. The Ridgemonkey's on, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of oil in there just so that it can get going. Just going to test it. Yep, cooking nicely. I'm going to put the chicken in first because obviously you want to make sure that your chicken is well cooked. So we're just going to have a check to see how the chicken's cooking. Starting to cook through nicely. Just going to shut the lid a bit more and keep that heat in. It's been a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to check on the chicken's progress. Oh yeah, that's cooking through nicely now. Just give it a little bit longer. Okay, now that the chicken's cooking nicely, I'm going to add in my onions. Sorry, the wind's whipping up slightly here. Shut the lid again and let them cook a little bit more. While I'm waiting for the onions to cook, I've transferred the salsa to a dish ready for when we make up the first fajita. So I'll just have a quick check on the onions and see how they're doing now. Oh, they're starting to cook through. It can be quite messy making this one, so it's actually quite nice making it outside. We'll just give it some longer. Okay, so the onion's cooking now, and I'm going to add the spice mix to it. I'm going to do that before I add the mushrooms and the peppers. I'm not going to bother too much about stirring it around, because the beauty of the Ridgemonkey is you can shake it and flip it. I found the far easiest way to mix it up properly, just pick up the Ridgemonkey and give it a jolly good shake, turning it upside down. There we go. Now that I've added the fajita mix in there, what I'm going to do now is add the remaining vegetables. So I'm going to put the mushrooms in. Mushrooms generally don't take very long to cook, and the peppers. Certainly getting quite full in there now. Close the lid. So everything's been in the Ridgemonkey now for another couple of minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just going to have a check to see how we're getting on. Oh wow, that's starting to look really nice. I think it needs another good shake. This really is the beauty of the Ridgemonkeys. Wow. I'm just going to give it another little check. I think with chicken you've always got to be really, really careful. Looks nice. I'm going to give it another shake. Remember, please, though, if you're cooking this inside in a Ridgemonkey, please don't shake it like I'm doing. There's quite a bit of stuff comes out of it. I wouldn't want you coming back to me to say your camper vans have got grease all over. Right, so it's been cooking now from when we put the chicken in for approximately 15 minutes, and I think it's cooked now. Just going to check. Yeah, looks it to me. Just going to take the lid off the Ridgemonkey. I'm going to make the first fajita. Get a mixture of the chicken and all of the vegetables. And sprinkle some cheese on. And bob some salsa on. I'm going to leave this on cooking while we sample the first one. And there we have our first fajita made in the Ridgemonkey.
So, let's give it a try, see what we think. Nice bit of spice, very tasty. Lovely. Thank you, Rachel.
So, thank you for watching. Today we've made chicken fajitas in the Ridgemonkey with some salsa and some cheese on top. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you have, thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe to us, and see you again soon. Thank you.